All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Max Specter of Full Conceal, and he's going to show us this very interesting folding Glock pistol system. And so what are we looking at here, Max?
So right here we have the Full Conceal M3D. It's a Glock 19 model, and we make it folding. Reason for that being, you can take a Glock 19 21 round capacity, and you can have it in a more concealed fashion. The magazines index automatically like that, right? Trigger shoe folds forward out of the way. We still have the blade safety in the top of the trigger incorporated, right? And when it's folded, the trigger shoe folds forward, so the trigger would have to travel 120 degrees in order to be fired, right? Magazines index automatically. We do it with the Glock 19 M3D for double stack and M3S for single stack off the 43 platform.
Very cool. And these, how much do these roughly MSRP for?
So MSRP on these is $1049, right? So a little jump up from margins on a Glock, right? Got some special show pricing for you as well.
Very cool. Very interesting. This is one of the more interesting products that I've seen. Appreciate it. Very cool. Thank you, Max. Really appreciate it. We're at Full Conceal in SHOT Show 2019, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.